Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you halwa recipe and I'm going to make a halwa with wheat flour. So in typical Punjabi we're going to say Atte da halwa, and it's very delicious and very tasty and very easy to make. As for the ingredient list, I have really simplified. Whatever the measurements you're taking of wheat flour, you take the same amount of desi ghee, which is clarified butter, and same amount of sugar. And as for the water, you do it 3 times. Wheat flour, half cup. Desi ghee, half cup. Half cup sugar, you can use the powder sugar or you can use the granule sugar, whatever sugar you have available. As for the water, we're going to take the same measurement. We're going to bring 3. So it's 1, 2, and 3. We'll bring sugar into our water and let's go on our gas and start making Atte ka halwa. First of all, we're going to start the gas and we're going to bring the water to boil and the sugar going to dissolve, and then we're going to turn off the gas. And now we're going to start the other gas and we're going to bring the gas on medium, and we're going to bring fry pan. We're going to bring desi ghee, clarified butter. We'll bring wheat flour. Mix it well. And on medium flame, we're going to cook it until it's nicely golden brown. You can use the regular flour, then it will be a lighter color. The wheat flour gives you a darker color. So keep moving so it won't get burned. Within 8 to 10 minutes, the wheat flour will be well cooked. If you're cooking on a low gas, right now we're cooking on a medium gas. As you can see, it's all bubbling up. It's cooking. So only thing is, you need to keep moving so it won't get burned. I always prefer wheat flour instead of regular flour because it's more healthy. The powdered sugar is nicely dissolved. The water came to boil. This is all we need. And we're going to turn off the gas. It's 4 minutes of cooking. This is how our wheat flour looks. All the wheat flour is nicely cooked. As you can see, it's really changing the color. Now I'm going to bring the water and keep stirring. It's a hot water. Just be careful when you're putting in, and keep mixing. And now we're going to bring our gas to low, which is number 2. Our atta is nicely cooked. We just need to keep mixing until the flour will absorb all the water. It's going to take a couple more minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking on a low gas, which is number 2. As you can see, it's not sticking. We can move it. It's moving nicely. It's all ready and we're going to dish out. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving karai ready. Our Atte ka halwa, wheat flour dessert is all ready. Atte ka halwa is all ready. It's very tasty and very delicious. Super nutritious and super healthy. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.